Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to a new YouTube video. So if you haven't heard already, there's a new social media application from Instagram called Threads. And if you are a fan of Twitter but not much of how Twitter has been changing lately, then this is a quite good alternative that you might be interested in. And what's there to mention is that this application is not gonna start slow and then slowly grow in popularity, as it already has a large built-in user base because it automatically ports over Instagram profiles. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get Threads and automatically sync it with your Instagram account so that you can get started with using it. So at the moment of making this video, Threads is not available in every single country or region, so head over to Play or App Store and then search for Threads, an Instagram app, and if you can find it, it means that it's available in your country, so go ahead, download and then launch the app. So assuming you already have an Instagram account, as soon as you launch the app Threads, it will ask to log you in using your Instagram account. You can also switch accounts or create a new one. So you can just simply click on your Instagram account and it will just make the account for you. So as you can see, while setting up your profile, you can import everything from Instagram, whether it's your profile picture, your bio, any links you have, you can import all of it directly from your Instagram account, which makes it that much easier to set up your account and get started. So you can change that if you don't want to use the same ones on your Instagram account, or simply import them and then click on next. After that, it will ask you to choose whether you want your account to be private or public. I chose it to be public. And then it will ask you if you want to follow all the people that you already follow on Instagram but have made their Threads account and synced it. So you can easily access your friends and connect with them right away. You can choose to select all, so follow all of them, or just a select few people that you choose. Once you do that, hit join Threads. It will ask you if you want to receive notifications. You can allow this if you want. And that's what the homepage looks like. You can already see like threads made by people or posts, whatever you want to call them. And it very much looks like Twitter kind of. But that's the whole point of Threads. It's like a Twitter but a new alternative. It is basically Twitter, just another social media platform that will be rivaling it from today. You can click on activity and see all the kinds of new notifications from your friends or people that you follow, who follows you. You can see follow requests as well. And it's also more detailed, so you can see like specific notifications like replies if anybody mentions you, and any verified accounts that may be following you or if they post something. You can also hit on the profile tab right next to it, and that's where you can go to the settings of your account, switch it to private if you want to, or keep it public, and see all different kinds of information. Also the blocked accounts, if you click on the blocked ones, it will be synced with Instagram. So if you have people blocked already on Instagram, it will automatically block them on Threads as well. And see how you want to edit your profile further. If you click at the tab right in the middle, that's how you can actually start writing your new thread if you want to, which is basically a tweet. You can also attach media to it, and once you're done, just hit on post, and everyone that you follow, possibly more people if your account is public, will be able to see it and interact with you. And that's basically it. I hope that you enjoyed this video on us explaining how to use Threads and how you can get started with your new account on this platform. If you found this video to be helpful or enjoyable to watch, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for our future videos.